Hello 8th graders, welcome to your grammar class. We were doing conjunctions and now we continue with the chapter. Students, I explained you the concept of place, time, addition, contrast, etc. and we were doing some important conjunctions. Now we will be doing next important conjunctions. So let's begin. Students, now we talk about some conjunctions after, before, while, when, whenever. These conjunctions are used to express time, okay, and they are called conjunctions of time. We use before and after to talk about the order of events in the past or future. As a conjunction before means earlier than the time when it joins two clauses together. Let's check how. Look both ways before you cross the street. Before you go to bed, you must brush your teeth. As a conjunction, after connects two clauses, it means at a time later than something. I will call you after I have spoken to them. After you left, I got a call from Tim. Now students, remember, while is used to join two actions going on at the same time. You must have heard of the saying, make hay while the sun shines. Okay. Now students, while is also used to express contrast. See how. Very interesting. While Tom is good at science, his younger brother is absolutely hopeless. Now this is a contrast between Tom and his younger brother. When may mean that one action occurs at the same time as another or in the span of another. Let's check an example. When it is snowing, people are advised to remain indoors. When is also used for that one action that follows another. When she waved the flag, the engine began to roll. It is also used for contrast in the same sense of while. You cannot expect the nation to be honest when the entire system is corrupt. You can see a contrast over here, students. System is corrupt. So the nation cannot be honest. Now let's talk about as soon as. As soon as is used to talk about a specific point in time when something happened or will happen. As soon as we hear the news, we will call you. Okay. Now, no sooner than. This is used in the sense of as soon as. It is always followed by than and never by but. Remember, it is not followed by but. Let's check out an example. No sooner did he reach the station than the train left. This means that अभी वो स्टेशन पहुंचा ही था कि ट्रेन चल पड़ी. Where, wherever refer to place. He spends a lot wherever he goes. This is where I live. ये वो जगह है जहाँ मैं रहता हूँ. Now let's talk about that, so that, in order to, lest, so as, to express purpose or effect. He is reading carefully so that there may be no mistakes. ये देखो क्या आ गया आपका रीज़न आ गया, पर्पस आ गया. उसका पर्पस क्या है केयरफुल रीड करने का, कि वो कोई मिस्टेक ना करे. Focus on your aim so that you succeed. Again, it is your purpose to succeed. We drove at high speed in order that we catch the flight. I am planning to move house so as to be closer to my place of work. तो this is all a conjunction of purpose. हमारा purpose क्या है, तो उसके लिए आप use कर सकते हो in order that, so as to, etc. Now let's talk about if, unless, whether, provided that, in case, etc. These are used to express a condition and they are called conjunctions of condition. I will buy this house if I have money. Now what is the condition of buying the house? To acquire money, to have money. पैसा है तो ही मैं वो घर खरीदूंगा. Unless I hear from you, I will see you at 2 o'clock. Okay. He will not be happy unless you live by values. Now there is a condition that you should live by values, otherwise you will not be happy. I shall join this movement whether I am permitted or not. चाहे मैं permitted हूँ या नहीं, मैं ये movement को join करूँगा. Now let's talk about than. Than expresses comparison. The show was much better than expected. How express his manner? You will never make out how he funded our trip. Now let's talk about hardly and scarcely. इसका मतलब होता है मुश्किल से. And they are followed by when. Hardly had I finished dinner when the phone rang. अभी मुश्किल से मैंने डिनर फिनिश किया ही था कि फ़ोन बज गया. Scarcely had the match started when it began to rain. अभी मैच शुरू हुआ ही था कि बारिश शुरू हो गई. ठीक है. Now students, let's do an exercise at page number 341. Choose the correct conjunction from the bracket and fill in the blanks. Tigers won't attack. Now, what will you use here? Unless they are hungry. There is a condition that if they are hungry, only they will attack. I would have gone to the party. मैं पार्टी में गई होती अगर I had been invited. So what will you use here? If I had been invited. She went to the doctor. Dash, she might be cured. Now over here, conjunction of purpose. She went to the doctor so that she might be cured. These exercises are very interesting, children. Please do them very neatly in your BBC. Thank you so much and have a good day.